In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of your Google account on Chrome quickly and easily. This is a simple process, but it's really useful if you're switching accounts, using a shared computer, or just want to disconnect your profile from Chrome for a moment. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window. If you are signed in, you should see your profile picture or your account icon there. This is where all of your Chrome profile and Google account options are stored. Next, click on that profile icon to open the Chrome profile menu. A small menu will appear showing your account name, email address, and profile-related options. From here, look for the sign out option. Depending on your Chrome version, it may say sign out, turn off sync, or something similar. Click Sign Out to disconnect your Google account from Chrome on this device. If Chrome asks you to confirm your choice, go ahead and approve it. Once you sign out, your browsing activity, synced bookmarks, passwords, and other synced data will no longer be actively connected to that profile on this browser. That means Chrome will stop syncing changes to your Google account until you sign back in again. If you want to fully switch users, this is also the perfect moment to choose a different profile or add a new one from the same menu. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of your Google account on Chrome. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.